is up, guys? This is Josh with Southern Afterlife. I got a real special treat for you tonight. We filmed this location about 3 weeks ago. I didn't have proper camera equipment. I just had an old GoPro and didn't really have good lighting, so I decided to come out tonight, spur of the moment, refilm it for you guys. That way there you have good quality and good sound and you get the best experience possible. This is the Smallwoods store. It's in Chokoloskee Island. There's a lot of history here. They had a guy named Mr. Watson. They found out he was killing his employees before payday, and they actually executed him on the back deck of this property by shotgun. There's crazy things here. Last time I filmed it, I had orbs. I will put that in right here. And just all kinds of stuff, different bangs and sounds and bumps. There's a lot of stuff here. All right, let's go. All right, let's try this again. That was the local cops rolled up on us. But we got permission to be here now. These are actually wheels that went on rails to pull boats out of the water for repair. There was another set in the woods, yeah, right there. This store used to be the place to come back in the day. Indians would trade here. And basically anybody in the area would trade here. This is where the locals would get their mail. They'd travel 40 miles upriver to Fort Myers to get the mail. These are the rails that used to be in the water that those wheels would roll on. And the boat ramp is actually back here. And there's some of the old rails that are still attached. So those wheels would be on there. And then boats come up onto the dollies and they would pull them all the way up this path that's now covered up to the front to work on them. Guys, I love doing these videos for you, but you gotta do me one favor. Go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and push that little bell button so you get notifications when new videos pop up. I plan on doing a lot of these things for you guys, but I need your help to get the word out. So please like, share, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like, and give me some feedback. If you see anything in this video that I did not pick up on, please let me know in the comments. That's one of the old dugouts the Indians used to use to come back and forth to the store to trade their goods. I did see this and I thought it was pretty interesting. Those are all old boat motors. Boat motors, engine parts. They're pretty old. Like I said, they used to repair boats back here in the 50s and 60s. I'm real excited about this area because just through there, my last video, I caught an orb and a bang. Now it's kind of ironic because just over here, there's a trap door in the floor. You can see it's boarded over now, but there used to be a trap door there. And that's where they would lug up, you know, mail sacks and flour and other goods that they would bring by boat. They pull them up through the floor. And that's exactly where we heard the noise, that bang, and then the orb flying from that direction. This is Jordan. Say hi, Jordan.
Hi, Jordan.
This is my wife.
Deer in headlights.
She's the one that does all the research on all of our projects. And she's actually fishing right now.
Yes. Well, I would be.
She's about to go hunt crabs. Okay, so right here on this deck is where they killed a man. His name was Mr. Watson. He was a local business owner. He hired a lot of help, but he would kill the people by shotgun before payday, so he didn't have to pay them. Well, Granny that ran the store sold Mr. Watson some wet shotgun shells so he couldn't defend himself. They invited him over, and they actually executed him by shotgun on this rear deck. Mr. Watson, if you're here, can you talk into my microphone? Can you give me a sign or a knock that you're here? If that was you, could you do it again? Yeah, my brother had actually got me an EMF detector for Christmas. Thank you, sir. See what our baseline is. And so it's pretty much at zero all around. Nothing yet. Go over here to where this trap door was where I heard it bang last video. See if we catch anything here. We can detect the spirit's energy through an EMF detector. When they come close to it, it'll read their energies or static. Mr. Watson, is this where they executed you by shotgun? I just heard a knock. Mr. Watson, if that's you, come touch this device in my hand. Go towards where I heard that knock. Is anybody here with me? Can you come touch this meter? I promise, guys. I had a lot of activity last time. Things I couldn't see by eye, but I heard on my microphone. I'll listen back, see if we got any EVPs, any voices. See if we caught any more orbs. That just bothers me. If you guys don't know, I'm actually an electrician, and just seeing wire bunched up like that just really eats me. I've been an electrician now for about 7 years. I work for a local remodel company here in Fort Myers, Florida, and actually, my passion is making videos, is connecting with people, is going on adventures and documenting them. Yeah, I really plan on bringing you guys some big things. Just once again, subscribe, hit that like button, share with your friends, try to get the word out, try to help me out. The more you help me, the more I can put out for you. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. We came all this way out to the Everglades to show you this wonderful place. There's a lot of history here, and it's pretty awesome. I love old stuff. But I'm glad you watched my video. We are going to another location, and it's a location I filmed by drone, and it is the Port of the Islands Hotel. It's abandoned, it's falling apart, it's crazy. There's lots of noises inside, lots of graffiti. I'm going to show you definitely one of the smaller buildings. I'll try to get into the bigger building, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. It's complicated. It's fenced off. There's a lot of stuff going on there. It's a big process, but I will see what I can do for you. But until next time, life's an adventure. Get out there and live it.